an old man. Looks like an old man. They have two, but did you see how old they were?
40-something. 43 and 44?
I don't know.
You notice there's no fence or barriers around this island. That's because these two just do not like the water. They just don't want to swim. If they were monkeys, they'd come right across, jump on the train, and go for a ride.
Doesn't it look like an old owl?
Yeah, like a grandfather owl.
There's 175 different species of poison dart frog.
For example, bumblebee looking
Poison dart frogs have brightly colored skin and acts as warning
I know.
Some dart frogs are so deadly that native tribes use their potent toxins for hunting. Surprisingly, very few dart frog species are actually lethal. All of the other members of this frog family rely on the fact that predators are unable to tell the difference.
Look, Mom, look, why can't they stick onto the sides?
They just have sticky.
There's a green one right in that corner. Look, green one right in that corner.
Okay, you want to go to the box pile?
Yeah.
If you can just close it softly on your way out. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Thank you.
Wallaby, sponsored by the Wyatt family.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you guys hold still so we can get a picture in front of it?
Boys, stop moving.
Where are you going? Mm-hmm. They're kind of like an ostrich, but they're the Australian version. Look at those dinosaur legs that they have. He's trying to eat the picture, that's hilarious. These trees don't taste like anything.
He wants us to pet its back. Hi there! He wants us to pet its back. That's what they want us to do.
Let's see who has a bigger wingspan. All right. Grayson's turn. Watch out, Ollie. Looks like Grayson has a bigger wingspan.
Or wait, do it again.
I think it was just exercising.
Oh, somebody's coming into their cage down there.
Whoa, he's like, get away from me. Whoa, food time. He's like, is the coast clear? I gotta make sure he's out of here before I snatch that food up. Oh my goodness, this is a disaster waiting to happen. Yikes.
Skis work.
Ooh.
Ow. meditating. I'm penguin. That hurts. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! I got stuck.
Got some attention.
Is he burping?
No, that's the sound pigs
sound
make.
they make, yeah.
That's oinking. It does kind of sound like a burp.
It's called a guinea hog.
Mm-hmm. Big guy.